Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork kabobs. We'll start by selecting the perfect cut of pork, like a tenderloin, which is ideal for grilling. Then, we'll gather an array of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, red onions, and zucchini. The secret to truly delicious kabobs lies in a well-balanced marinade. So we'll mix up a fantastic one using olive oil, soy sauce, garlic, and a touch of honey to infuse maximum flavor into our pork. Now let's get our ingredients ready. First, cut your chosen pork into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures everything cooks evenly on the grill. Next, chop your vegetables into pieces roughly the same size as the pork, so they don't burn or fall off the skewer. Place the pork into your prepared marinade, ensuring every piece is coated. Let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes or for an even richer taste. Allow it to sit for up to 4 hours in the refrigerator. It's time to assemble our kabobs. Carefully thread the marinated pork and chopped vegetables onto your skewers, alternating them for a visually appealing and evenly cooked result. Remember to leave a small space between each piece to allow for proper heat circulation. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grill the kabobs for about 8 to 12 minutes, turning them every few minutes, until the pork is beautifully browned and cooked through. Your mouth-watering pork kabobs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot off the grill with your favorite side, perhaps some fluffy rice or a crisp green salad. For an extra burst of flavor, you can brush any remaining marinade onto the kabobs during the final few minutes of grilling. Most importantly, always ensure the pork reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a safe and delicious meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.